Kickstart your business. A step-by-step guide. You guys, entrepreneurship is the hustle. It's about taking that fire in your belly, that idea that keeps you up at night, and turning it into your reality. But let's be real, where do you even start? Starting a new business can be both exciting and challenging. So many people come to me with this amazing passion, but they get overwhelmed before even taking that first step. That's why I'm hyped to break it all down for you. Step by step in this video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know to get your startup off the ground, from that initial idea to launching it into the world. Let's do this. Identify your passion, find your business idea. Look, you can't just chase someone else's dream. What gets you fired up? What are you undeniably good at? Maybe you're a baking whiz, or you've got a knack for social media that's off the charts. That passion is your starting line. But here's the thing, passion needs a reality check. Don't sleep on market research. Are people actually searching for what you're offering? Who are your people, your tribe, your potential customers? And let's not forget about the competition. What are they doing right? What are they missing? And how can you blow them out of the water? This is about finding that sweet spot where your passion meets a real need in the market. Blueprint your success. Create a business plan. All right, you've got that killer idea, that fire in your belly. Now it's time to put it on paper to build a roadmap for your business. This is your business plan, your playbook for success. It doesn't need to be fancy, but it needs to be clear. Start with your why, your mission. What problem are you solving? What makes you different? Then break down your target market, your ideal customer. Get granular. What are their demographics, their pain points, their aspirations, and most importantly, how will you reach them? What's your marketing strategy? Finally, let's talk numbers. What are your startup costs? How will you generate revenue? Be realistic, be specific, and don't be afraid to adjust as you go. This plan is your compass. The legal game, choosing your business structure. Okay, time to get real about the legal side of things. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Choosing the right business structure is crucial for things like taxes and liability. You've got options: sole proprietorship if you're flying solo, partnership if you've got a partner in crime, LLC for that extra layer of personal protection, or a corporation if you're going big. Each one has its own perks and quirks when it comes to taxes and legal stuff. Do your homework, talk to a lawyer or a business advisor, and make sure you're playing by the rules from day one. This is about protecting yourself and your dream. Chapter 4. Making it official, register your business. You've got your idea, your plan, your legal structure. Now it's time to make it official, to give your business a name and an identity in the world. First things first, choose a name that's unique, memorable, and represents your brand. Then lock it down. Register your business name to make sure nobody else can snatch it up. Next, depending on where you're setting up shop and what kind of business you're running, you'll need the right licenses and permits. Don't skip this step, trust me. The last thing you want is to get hit with fines or shut down before you even really begin. Chapter 5. Show me the money, securing financing. Let's be real, starting a business takes capital, but don't let that scare you away. You've got options even if you're not rolling in dough. Start by looking at your own resources. Can you swing it with personal savings? If not, explore loans, both traditional and from organizations that support small businesses. And hey, if your idea is truly disruptive, don't be afraid to pitch to investors or explore crowdfunding platforms. The key is to create a rock-solid budget that outlines your expenses and projected income. This will show potential funders that you're serious, you've thought this through, and you're ready to hustle. Chapter 6. Location, 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 setting up shop. All right, time to talk about where the magic happens. Do you need a physical storefront, a brick-and-mortar location where customers can experience your brand firsthand? Or are you an online business, a digital native operating in the cloud? If you need a physical space, think about your ideal customer. Where do they hang out? What kind of vibe are you going for? Consider foot traffic, accessibility, and of course, budget. And if you're online, invest in a user-friendly website and a strong social media presence. Remember, your location, whether physical or digital, is an extension of your brand. Chapter 7. Crafting your story, develop your brand. Now it's time to bring your brand to life. This is about more than just a logo. It's about creating a feeling, an experience that resonates with your target audience. Your brand is your story, your voice, your visual identity. What are your brand colors? What's your tone of voice? Invest in a professionally designed logo and build a website that's both visually appealing and easy to navigate. And don't underestimate the power of social media. Engage with your audience, share your story, and build a community around your brand. Chapter 8. It's showtime, launch your business. This is it, the moment you've been working towards. Launching your business into the world. Get the word out there. Use social media, email marketing, content marketing, influencer collaborations, whatever it takes to reach your target audience. Host a launch event, offer early bird discounts, run contests, get creative. Remember, your launch is just the beginning. The real work starts now. Be prepared to hustle, to adapt, and to constantly learn and grow. Chapter 9. Listen, learn, adapt, monitor, and adjust. Congratulations, you're officially a business owner. But the journey doesn't end there. In fact, it's just the beginning. The key to long-term success is to constantly monitor your progress and be willing to adapt. Pay attention to your customers. What are they saying? What do they love? What do they wish was different? Keep a close eye on your finances. Are you hitting your revenue goals? Don't be afraid to pivot, to adjust your strategy, or even your product or service based on what you're learning. Chapter 10. Level up, scaling your business. You've launched, you've learned, you've adapted. Now it's time to think bigger, to scale your business to new heights. This could mean expanding into new markets, launching new products or services, or even franchising your business model. Look for ways to streamline your operations, to automate tasks, and to build a team that shares your vision. Remember, scaling isn't just about growing your revenue. It's about building a sustainable business that can thrive for years to come. Outro, your entrepreneurial journey starts now. Look, starting and running a business is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges, there will be setbacks, but trust me, the rewards are worth it. Remember, starting a business is a journey. Stay compliant with regulations, seek support from local business groups or mentors, and keep pushing forward. Good luck with your startup. You've got this. Now go out there and crush it.